Hello, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. This train was kind of slow rolling and stopped for just a few moments. Now it's starting to roll again. It's on main track number 3 westbound. We're at Milepost 73.7-ish. Route 66 to my right here. Down here on main track number 2 westbound, we have a Norfolk Southern with 4 NS power units and 1 BNSF. It looks like it might untie soon, but even when a new crew gets there, it usually takes them about an hour to prep the train, so I'm not sure if we'll get it or not. I hope so. I've never had 4 Norfolk Southerns in a row. Power units. Be nice to put that on my belt.